Greetings, curious travelers. Welcome back to the Traveler's Toolkit. I'm a very experienced traveler, and today I'll be sharing my top 20 essential tips to help guard against infectious diseases when globetrotting. Getting sick can ruin a vacation faster than lost luggage, so listen up to travel severe. Rule number 1 is do research beforehand on recommended and required vaccinations for your destination. Some diseases, like yellow fever, have vaccines you must get weeks before departure. Others, like hepatitis and typhoid, have important optional vaccines to consider. Don't leave home unprepared. Tip number 2 is pack a small medical kit with basics like pain relievers, antidiarrheals, oral rehydration salts, antiseptics, and bandages. Having what you need on hand provides peace of mind if illness strikes. Don't forget the insect repellent and sunscreen, either to prevent mosquito-borne diseases and sun poisoning. Now, let's get into disease prevention best practices while on the road. Be wise and careful about local food and water sources. Rule number 3 is stick to hot cooked dishes and bottled or boiled water in high-risk regions. Rule number 4 is wash hands frequently with soap and hot water for at least 20 seconds before eating. Carry travel-size hand sanitizer for on-the-go cleansing. Getting enough sleep is also key. A run-down immune system is more vulnerable to infection. Prioritize self-care habits like rule number 5, try to get 7-8 hours of shut-eye per night. Lastly, listen to your body if sickness symptoms arise. Rule number 6 is see a local doctor promptly if a fever, body aches, or diarrhea kick in. Catching diseases early makes treatment easier. Don't be shy to wear a medical mask till if battling a cough or runny nose. It keeps germs contained. There you have the first batch of my top 20 tips for dodging illness overseas. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe if these travel hacks were helpful. Stay tuned for the rest of the list coming soon in part 2. Until then, stay healthy and happy trails, friends.